Like, what was the whole scenario there?
The issue about concert ya Ray, kuba Msafiri, when the council paid him, bakamumarayo, he didn't invest in marketing the whole concept. Wachiri. So chikakiringa that element nokuri chabe chige cheye, he would do a lot to make sure it becomes a success.
Yes, all right, yes, all right. I Sankole Media. I think this I'm a sober the sparks and one savage on it. Yes, Jinkole Media, to Jinkole Media YouTube, to Jinkole Media TikTok, to Jinkole Media TV, Facebook, everywhere, across all the socials. To Jinkole Media. So, amazina na Nyani Brother Sparks nkaburizo, nyine savage ya kamera n'utwatambire nawe izatwayegitwaho umusaha mukuru. Think mabana akunda bamugambe but na waroho. So, of course, bwire bwinyo tinkusharaga kwiza hano nyenka. So I have a familiar face. Familiar face in Javi Njini Bajumanya, the most common face in Chaga Kubanyine. That is MVP Dan. So Dan MVP to Kwachana Media once again.
Nanye nkaburizo, this is home. And actually introduction wakora mistake. Wagamba ngo inumusha mukuru na wagamba shiga mu MVP no wakora repetition. So wano kora introduction oshimugano jatinye
Ngakanda
to name MVP heri zoba. So rike mano kora repetition zebigamba nkebyo.
Dan nakavimbo ruhanga. So anyway, so umusaha mukuru ninga sedani yajabonaga umusaha mukuru Dan nina kwa repetition tumene hanuye. So nzafutandikiraho tutabasisire bwire Dan MVP. Turiyo musoya Rage. Then kuturigiremo ejeje yaka homecoming. Then kuturigireyo abandi babene bagambe results nguzibezirikirini ngo butebe bukabutijwire. Like, what was the whole scenario there?
The issue about concert ya Ray, kuba Msafiri, when the council paid him, bakamumarayo, he didn't invest in marketing the whole concept. Wachiri. So chikakiringa that element nokuri chabe chige cheye, he would do a lot to make sure it becomes a success. But already umuntu bamusafire, he had no time kuza ku influencing so many people to come through. For him was to make sure the day comes. This is a lesson to different partners work supporting a music here Western Uganda. If you decide to prioritize and use one artist, be in a position kujangu you're going to imenkaba partners individually mune kufininga mechanism is strong kumeshon kuranguza leta abantu because omweshongoza hari when I have cheye he doesn't care obenzura yagwa bati yagwa we yabwina ke. Two, you need to also look at who are your media partners. The whole festival didn't generate attention because they didn't have local media partners.
They had TikTokers on board.
No, TikTok and social media is just a mindset.
Like most of these people were confusing TikTokers na these media bloggers and stuff. A TikToker na wasaka in a following but chaka magazga music kujangwa kuteke hiyo influencer abantu kuisha. It's so hard at times.
Yeah, just because you use TikTok or you use Facebook or you use X app does not mean other people are on those platforms, because different people have different habits on how they consume information. That's why you must be everywhere if you want to achieve the best results. So Facebook getting local media partners, mainstream media, no radio station, no TV station. So the crowd had, and you're in a market where people are semi-urban, some are rural. Because by the time you do a festival, you have to attract people to come as far as Kabale, as Sinjuro, as Intungamo, to come Bachakaru so that you market it to them as a land of opportunity. So they didn't invest in that. They didn't consider that, and it's a lesson I believe the team will go back on the drawing board. But by finding a way forward for next year's festival. But this year, I hope it was a learning lesson for them. The mistakes they have done, let them better them next year. Trying to adjust because I don't blame Reggie because when Gomuta in the chorus he using music to make money. We are going to deal with Kejo. Kana nechi propaganda, na nechi aro propaganda neba kutambuza. Izoro nkani yenda nechi kanchirabyo. Western Uganda hari abantu batanu. Hari abantu batwa tinguza ba mentioning amazina. Hari abantu batanu abakorwaninga industry ya Western Uganda. Abantu batanu.
Inabuna binachigament industry ana ineba kama bayo.
Wachireba. Actually abantu batanu amu then abantu bana tina mentioning amazina need to respect because what I'm going to submit somehow affects them. These people, because they have access to these big offices, they position their own. So these people, you don't ask yourself why Reggie is everywhere. Because he's a good artist. Every artist is good in their own way. Every artist has an audience. Every artist has a following. So Reggie is not everywhere because he's outstanding. Because he does the same, he works in the same studio, he works in that. But those four people, the ones that are keeping him on top in business. Until these four people learn to expand.
Watandikana n'abantu batanu atkababa.
Naja nti ninye wakatano.
Akato yatu wanu gamba yote me and those people.
Anti nyowe nyoti nkwatagana nabo bana because me I'm a person who believes in diversity. Who believes in offering opportunities to everyone.
So now the information you're going to put in
I'm trying to put information across for those four people. Politician yiza kanienda kukora rware omurimuizi because those four people they are the faces abantu mbokora connecting nabo by kana bagira ngo wareta Reggie nakuretera abantu wasire nakranti nayagira nakranti yagira nakranti yarugwa akagira ati hatkantu na Brad Sparks so kanosho inamani omomuri yabo bana nazaje ata kanjye contacting Brad Sparks uriya nawe trusting because niwe amushikirira then later uriya naza kwa force kutera client Brad Sparks yajangwa ari busy ari bokuti nara creating sente ziri nyingi ho uriya jata kare katumuveko but considering go ba positioning
what Dan is trying to say are the middlemen when nuba kobaranka nuba is booking zi nachi nuba kwaba bakushaka kuba on those panels zo selectinga orakore kino nabani nyeta gogo no
abantu abo they may not be middlemen as such
broke
they are faces that are controlling the industry wachireba nibajeta omunanka in politics nibajeta the deep state no mu Uganda no oreba president but arabandi bantu bajeta the deep state kuba ne running economy running ihanga na waza Russia yoza the oracles waza America there is certain group of people who are running gachi amahanga so in Western Uganda those turi batano but nyona yihamu arimo abantu banabo tena mentioning about so nyoni bani bagampe so every time izo murimo murimbar ba positioning Reggie that's why you find Reggie almost everywhere petrol station ne igura Reggie ebara ne igura Reggie
Is that the reason why we keep having the same faces on shows, the same faces on such kushanga umuntu nubarga chivurechi the same faces as on zazurku is that the reason?
That's the same thing. Those are the people because nibo bakushira baketunda kale they built their brands shanga people who are ignorant about the industry nibo bakura kuchira. I don't know how much Reggie rewards them. Wana aba rewarding ana za fees, wana aba rewarding ana I don't think there is money. I think Charleston Reggie cannot give you money. Maybe they are obsessed with him. or they feel proud associated with him, or maybe kuba kwabine nk'ibintu byabaraboka cyabakangiramu, but I don't think it's related to kickbacks. Rage is one guy who cannot give you his money. Kintu kya sente there nanye n'ubu nabenyine kivuru until nazira za reflecting asimu esente zirengera 2,300. Yeah, I don't think it's all about money.
So those people hati ashoheji babe no impact.
Yeah, so those people actually kumena impeza submission omweni kumugambira ajya by the way kandi akachiko ka kanso ko ka entertainment najya tukurebe nani mbagambira so mukachiko ako ninjiro yakarabiza muri wigi karediru yagira ati atumaye ati numanya kanje mbagambe ngo beno planning akutegeke kivuru kachika. Yes, before Kampala umuntu akureba kore media, before Kampala, before Rugogo, Rage wanted to do a show at Kacheka. That was the plan. He wanted to bring Harmonize. I'm told he has a song with Harmonize, Shayon and Chora. So I can't remember the time Shatera, he plans to do a show in Kacheka. Even going to Kampala, he wanted to do Uma Grounds. If you are following these stories of entertainment, there's a time Alex Manji akainechwa na Rage at cooking something soon yachitekana. That's how the deal for Nobat came through. And they did. So coming to Mbarara, you are wachkwaranji Rugogo, but Tirona dates Zambar. So they didn't trust. So barikwe bari meeting basetting a propaganda to people at the council.
Propaganda bakabaretera idea
I'm giving my submission, you know, very idea. I'm telling how these 4 people play their games. So because Reja Kati nechi kacheka. Wachireba. So these people by positioning a propaganda on buchiko bwa council. By be so planning a festival. Regina enough to take a show around that same time. Because now these people at the council Twakuchenga and last year Regina were performing in Chavo. Na council kuyarebera crowd ya Rugogo. It created a good picture for them. Maybe they trusted him. So omuntu yarira maba osam otinamara kunagayo ki ka idea kurika nkabateganisa. So twandishabo contacting ogu na nogu nibaza kubayinga that idea. Just like in a business, you can position something on magazine. Wachireba.
So those 4 people were the masterminds.
One of the 4 people was the mastermind. Ya council kurachi. Of course ati ya council neburabura in a budget. Already yari bumwe shongoza kubasa kubaretera abantu bine a certain crowd.
So now bakagere abantu
bayikana bachugurukira baranchi bachugurukira bari abantu byarese Rugogo bachugurukira. So now the moment they gave Rage money ati half freezing ati bakweza sente ideas ojoro umuntu yana akufitera urusheshe nagamba binjwa makuma sente umutone freezing nata kine kincho gamba
kachana ndanticha wire
chao wachireba
sata homo okufumba umuto yakoreka Rage
ngwafu okara posters za show yo no muri Mbarara.
By the way, you think by the nyoka kana point na teka sana these people think ngo kubooking a Rage tikweta tsaka marketing.
Okareba posters zona, okareba banners zona muri wangu homecoming. Yeje homecoming yo kora etine posters, etine banners, etine burangwa ama radio gambarara.
Kari ya TikTok.
Etine za interviews zambarara ni homecoming. Itakwetaga those mediums kandi Kampala wabambire poster buri muryango gona. Na buri kinabiro cona buri cyo no kubamba upo nanka bana ya nanka ya Rugogo. Achireba.
So were you not satisfied with the marketing strategy?
So it was because already the council kayam hire sente ya nawe ya umutugo wa freezinga ya chako na show. This is caused by those 4 people. Wachireba. So I keep maybe nimbambini. Wachireba nimbambini. It's high time we opened up the market. Una benyine Rage turiya nanka turi a Las Vegas obu twakora that interview which people don't know how that interview came up bo bakakwata batambuza bya bitine mugasho
ukawatusobori
wakireba. So Reggie talked about something like I don't want nyinsakare kufa nari kurugaho industry ekabachi ekabadaro. Yes, he's right because people who are supposed to open up the industry they are still locked kushanga nuba kuhereza. Yes, there are so many guys who have good talent who deserve a chance to be known no bakora iwe nakuje kibuzo. Reggie no mushanga kuronchinga petrol station, Reggie no mushanga mukoro gwa MP, Reggie no mushanga kwigure bar, Reggie no mushanga mabaga, Reggie no mushanga
sobore cyane batakumanya abana mangu oro kubana amwera na contacting directly, but seems like most of the times it's always there are some forces behind that kujango no.
There forces, yes, much as people like him, please nyina mu quoting right, much as people like him, he gets businesses, but most of these top businesses are influenced by those 4 people I told you about.
So bano bana bazakora uri abamutera karimi
Baba booking a deal yona. So because if they don't open up to share ideas to the client. We client na in the center say you know mutu landetera abantu.
So we namwe sinika mastermind cyara mugambi cyara take.
So they can't open up bakaja nka Brad Sparks na basa kureta abantu. Nka Asman na basa kureta abantu. For them they are like ugogo natiko kureta abantu. A week or 2 weeks before ugogo. Bakamurebera rekuza bush. We can't celebrating anniversary. In just 4 months back akari hit. Hit obekane celebrating over how many years.
Akati naonanga kanosha kai listeners party.
When the listeners je yashajingira abantu. When but hit can celebrating or something. Ya rugao months back akari arya na ka vibes. Amukoro gwa vibes. So iyombara yona buri shonda yona no performing on headliner tumukopeningira abandi katare nabo abantu no that this is the motivates other talents. So na mbeningama na management yeye mbeningama na manager Josh actually I told him na ni bashaba umurimba mbaze mwaruga mufo ehwayiro murekera abandi abana nabo bakore ki.
Are they ready to do that?
Of course. No, you give them an idea. Wachireba. Of course.
So what was their response?
Them, of course, Joshua benashika ati na claiming ngo barati bakije performinga munaenda kumubuza ntati bombe birerichi. Mwamda kije performinga mu bombe birerichi. So they should leave Mbara for now. Grant Iza. I don't think Reggie gets calls every week for he gets so many calls. But he can decide to say Mbara nshemerize mu for a while. Ashoboye naza gukora concert at university yini kabata chikwata booking Mbara. Because the deal yabirayine na promoter wa university yini bakaba bazire is it 90 kilometers out of Mbarara, something like that, kushanga touch performing yeah, something like that before university. So he can decide now and say Mbara garuka ku performing is going to be in Christmas season. For now, let other guys.
So is that one of the reason you think Omega Nchuchi yahunjira mu nanko mu Mbara?
I don't want to discuss about Omega. I'm not trying to create a. I'm trying to position other artists. No, that's why I'm using examples of Brad Sparks and Asuman. I don't want to say I'm positioning some other. I'm just trying to position element because abantu abana binagamba no bamuremi isomo because nibamufunaho kandi bakumufunaho sente ineba kuganyirwa mebindi. So ekiko natukore mwamire manager wananya please mbara mwajirukamu until like Christmas season but clients get open now, get options around wachireba get option na okubara mutera ajata numanya arakana kanko kuyagambe ngo nahurura Simba JK ajeta atumuheze jiba Simba JK nare muheze truth umurimo muhereze tipo umurimo na tipo is not going to be performing in the bar because in the concert is not going to also be performing in the bar now na in the concert. So muheze truth
ajira umuntu we are recommending no
muheze abandi muhereza so that other artists also have a platform to perform and maybe get good money. Iwana ngo perform abantu hano bakora ryari.
So ejo niyo yabiri nsonga ya kubyagiri kubaho. Now to what really happened. Abana bajya ngo kivuro kikijura. Abana bagira ngo VIP obutebe bwabura mu busha. Which.
Now the things like this. Whatever, if you have a camera, you can create an angle to show that people are many. Esimu nojukwatira hansi, wana nojukwatira yuguru. To create an image, you can pray technically with the camera angle.
Camera one bakushinga.
To create an impression, ngabantu bijura. Wachireba. Boma had around 4 to 3K people. Me have seen crowds. You feel like nuenda ngo manyu mutwaro gw'abantu. Go tukacheka on Ekinihiro Day. Before shank ikuminemu kacheka nere mu mutwaro. Then by midnight hari mu mutwaro ebinechweka. Wachireba is
genuine people.
Those are there. And so no
bakamera jukwate churichere.
Actually you noza no mu stadium yakacheka overeba. That's what umutwaro of people looks like. Wachireba. So Boma had around 3 to 4K people. Right. Now, ekindi omujana doubting when you're doing a concert, what abantu bastama, especially ordinary people, abantu babari bachi. People babari binji, abantu bute baba tachubwetaga. People are standing and vibing to music, but people were seated. Nora na focus ya camera, when tujye ngushoyo neketine kamembaranga tables, kamembaranga VIP abachuba angwejo batakuchikwata. Why are they focusing on the ordinary side? I want to
by the tina unarebere nanka nombunanka nombu clips obunare tina unarebere clip erukwato mu table VIP ejo area ni audience yonkali ku.
So kana nechintu wakuzo ordinary hivire mba TikTokers abitukusiba nabo muri mbara nibo bari mu video nibo bijire mu kamera mu those videos. So that's all caused by not marketing well. It's not caused by Rage as an individual, it's caused by not marketing him as an artist okuteyongera kukijubisa because he was already paid. Tishecho. So people Mbara as a town elimu abantu bakurenga Nyambara town elimu abantu bakurenga omutwaro gumu. Baranke town. So wari umutwaro gumwe gw'abantu utayisa na 15 kivuro kiri hagati ya town.
So ezo nizo nshonga za kacheka Rage omukami
akushaba ko mwaka abe bariyo okoliyo
kantariyo batungane
zo muto wagiri akushaba ko mwaka. How many people were there? That's what it means by having people. Wachiriyo. So
ezo nizo nshonga za kacheka Rage omukami kare eyona
though this I'm not going to say what I was going to say, but kanchireke but entrance keribia chipibiri futahamu one okidautinga you call
entrance kakoro busha free charge sha
okuta kuri payment za momo pesh emitware ebiri ordinary emitware ebiri momo pay gumwe n'kichweka because kansakesha shurire omutwaro gumwe gw'abantu. So
abantu barachange
meaning at nang at because Rage was positioning akanagira ati ordinary amomo pay nigumene chweka aget emitware ebiri tables zinga sente we are defining a cent but surprisingly na tables tables okozi funira emitware 3 na emitware 5 na free or depending on how they know you. Then nanka echikwate na ordinary kanso yeshashurira omutwaro gw'abantu maybe Rage taratara kwasera sente mongaro kuzo omutwaro tugura shikiri. If we had to go by what they wrote kanso shashurira omutwaro gw'abantu maybe they didn't get people. So echananka so okutahamu ekerichi echupa ya bia na nechupa ibiri. If you doubt this statement or Dubai or inkatera omuntu akuvuga boda muri mbara mubuze tuweze wa Rage mukakora kutakutahamu narabantu imwe muvuga kutahamu bakabakora bata they will give you the answer.
So izo nzoshonga za Rage omukami yabereka cheka nebimwe ahuriye naki so twafuna perspective ya dana yo bareba posts ze ya Facebook. So today atuhereza clarity. So turga so ya reject tuzayawe kuba turi ya reject akagire muturana harabara mu celebrating Dan MVP.
Yes.
So gambira abantu
Celebrating MVP, it's coming October 2024. The venue, I'm going to unveil it soon. The venue is in Barra Town, accessible by a border, accessed by a car. So you need to come with the parking. Easy to direct people. Yeah, no one of the things you need to consider one okora shows accessibility, awareness y'omwanya n'umuntu muntu kuza kubuririza nk'ebyo. It's happening, yeah. And the one thing people need to know, this is an event for me and my people. So for you who is asking who is MVP, I'm not targeting you. For you who asks who is MVP, you're not my target. Me, I'm targeting someone who knows who is MVP. Then, meningana on a team yaje, because I'm going to be having a good lineup of performers. So I want to give an exclusive access to these fans, the wannabes, the never shall bees, who just want to affiliate. No matter they don't meet these artists, they just see them in the pictures. Bamwe batekom sitting rooms zabo. They have never had access to. I take on a Photoshop. They've never had access to them. I'm creating an opportunity where you can catch up with your favorite artist in an exclusive environment. I'm going to design a fee in for those people. No, I say, just you have access to them because backstage so they have that.
This is some good. I can't talk about the.
Yeah, so I'm doing just this for the industry. You get it? Because the artists they admire, they are my people. They are just a phone call away. They are a text away. So whatever they up on Facebook with their fake accounts, with their whatever, I have respect for them because I don't blame them. Don't Majirango Ruko something on Bible.
Bible no Jumayas?
You never could don't blame them because they don't know who.
They don't know what they are doing.
So you just have reason. You just have to let people be. Yeah, so I'm going to be having a group of a select of performers, DJs, and artists are going to come through to support me. And kano muntu kamno yanaenda kuiza anaenda ku associating no Americana jana sishwaka center they come they catch up actually by having a red carpet feel kushanga na posting n'abantu batwe na admiring atwe na hore MVP na mureba na mutama na mukunda amlebe in another feel. So some people hate us because maybe they have not associated with us, but when they come to meet us,
some people even nyonga mazere kutomo someone on Portville ndoko manyaje like nyoni chako manya ntakusha kunzumira munonga TikTok. So ikunda iza how you chibishi atnienda selfie kuna mazere jumeza anatazama anta account ya uninje manya. So I don't want to mention her, but kuya mazere yaza kusanga by that nyombe ni mango ryo muntu atembea mango ryo muntu are so bad in real life.
Yeah, so that's experience. So whether you like me, whether you hate me, never influenced by others. Yeah. So I'm creating that platform. You come. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. So far, 20 tables I think are sold, and more. But I'm sure 20 surgeons rekarezo. Though I've not gotten the money because I haven't opened up people to pay. Which I'm going to open up for people to pay. No, I'm not comparing my memories. Why I'm not? Because my target is to sell over 50 tables. It's for me and my people, and those who want to come and to kumanya, team kumanya, but you want to come, you want to zapaz recent and jim to aron keviri, then I've been kumanya. Abonicheta.
Kandi abatakumanya chebiri abo kumanya cheta
na okumanya na mayichi muyambiri Atogota kuma, he doesn't know my value. He's coming to see who is MVP. Maybe so you need to give the benefit of doubt umureke. He's lost, she's lost, but when she accesses and knows who MVP is, indeed he deserves that money.
So on that day wajangu, by the way, when is that day?
I told you it's on a Thursday. It's on a Thursday.
Why Thursday? Why not a weekend?
David akoze nembago rwakabiri.
No, when David or Nigeria, kanda ti Jordan, tor David kanda je United Nigeria.
My value, even if I put a show on Monday, people can come.
Okay.
My show is on a Thursday. You open when I compass into on Friday or Zurich.
Aho bazira abantu abakora mu nchake na bana mwenda mu.
No, let me tell you, if someone is your person, it can sacrifice. If friendship does not involve a sacrifice, drop that friendship. Every friendship must. One is the day when artists are available. Omuntu akuza kuhereza omuzizi ayona yirukangana za ayona anka izera ikayona na rugaza akabuyando ko na nemutwa nguna yirukangwa MVP no ni manyira kumufura. Most of the artists are available on Thursday. 2, Mara is not busy on a Thursday. 3, I want my people to have an environment where they can chill. Not kuja ngo it's a Friday or it's a Saturday, but by existing clients. Yes, and so on a Thursday, the place will be reserved for MVP. So that's why I opted for that day, so that whoever I want to be associated with me will be available.
So that summarizing, Jeremy, what should we expect on that day? Like hakubar hochi there, what like nakubar ho kunywa ukuria stuff hakubar hochi.
No, per the poster details are there. Red carpet experience, barbecue. Barbecue. There is a red carpet experience. It's going to be there. There's going to be a live performance for your favorite artist who is going to
arrive.
Artist don't go and headline. He or she is going to do a live performance. It's going to be the first of its kind. And
we have a photo booth.
Nijani byebyo koza tunyebya kandi ejo red carpet as red carpet nebyo ate ebyo ni department ya organizer no me I like delegating no hirumpire tenda yokora organizing ebyo and me I don't like kunu kinyo mugende pesa budget ndo ndazinga I give you your money. So I find everything akwanyo tinku bishengaje tinaze kuza kuheza decision on things I don't know. You need to delegate someone kutere mwechi na nechi to give people an experience.
By the way, ndizo waburize han table ne kubera abantu bangaye.
Table 4 people. Table 4 people. Then ibe details nza kuizo misho.
Ninga buri muntu nananke cyakwenda. Buri muntu nagambe cyakwenda umuntu akamutera hamaro gari kunyaka soda.
Rindirira. All those concerns are being answered. So also it's a time to catch up with your because I'm doing this for the industry. It's going to be an experience where I'm going to have writers, I'm going to be having producers, I'm going to be having industry influencers, I'm going to be having promoters, I'm going to be having who else, presenters, all in one place. What to the accessibility. Otine connections, they're going to, all the connections are there. Tuenwenango ze kutaya Vision Radio tukuma presenter wayo. Tuenwenda kuza ahandi jito tukumanya presenter. Tuenwenda kuza obenwenda ku meeting a Brad Sparks with an interview. You're going to meet him there.
So you people erizo mwize mchajinjira masumo rukurangwe na hambano kurangwe no ine phones nanga storage rukumara. Contacts that day nza kubazo tacha iko jangu hata nanyenda kwikare MVP ni manzana ya Brom Sparks abona kumpseho naza kuba yeberirireho yes kandi kuko yatugambira ngo on the 10th of October ngwiza kuba ryo rwakana the whole town isha kuba hunami na ya kwinamira ninga so the whole town isha kuba hunami the day is reserved for Dan MVP kandi even kuko watugambira it's yet to be it's going to be announced.
It's going to be actually the venue is going to be announced with a headliner. The headliner.
So we expect live performance one on each sunny na cerebu we no urabe no yenda.
Na no mwe pichira to kumutete ovuzga access yo kumutera kama MVP naza kwanguhiza akwiruka angero.
Atete na abantu bakora like nakuchikora atecho
You-
kuzinaka kuiza first day kakaria tazo nati atina yenda na
ofune no yegomba kansara
Mm.
noenda kumurya so izobe
Naiza
nza
gambara tazo
izobe izobe ntera kamuti nyepikira kansara niza kuyamba mukushize wakireba
So
mukwe
all that is happening at just mitware itano then wajangu aho misaho araba
yeah fees neze bikabishatu
mm.
emitwaro abiri n'emitwaro etano these are for my people then emitwaro ebiri
General
tokumanya MVP nona ngo mumanye izobere nokunda omweshongozo ogu wamureba atuwaka nona ngo izo murebe wakireba noyenda niwo kuhika mukoro orebe mukoro goroba serebu nungo that's the money so because I don't blame you because ngutokumanya but I believe when you pay echebiri you will know who MVP is but ogora ashashure chetano he already knows who MVP is or ashashure chabiri he already knows who MVP is. You get it, eh? So I don't blame people. Ogo kurga ati MVP no mushina shuza ati wala ebere duka ya nanka ya iPhone irimo abantu bingi.
ngawarumbache
Yuzo muza tekinoza kushanga abantu batira ino. So
hawaenda kutera munonga on that day 10 October to expecting ho was abantu benemente teka yojera nguno kurubana nabe zongozi bingi and I'm so sorry kujangu na mentioning izina ryo muntu so should the people expect Reggie there?
Reggie is going to come through. Reggie is going because I've discussed with the team because I had options to make as an MVP. Him to perform and to attend. So I chose him to attend. Why?
Reggie tara performing
No, listen, Chiribati. Chiribati, I want you to quote me very well because think when umuntu anake the team. Because now when I'm discussing, Reggie is no longer at the level you're contacting as an individual. He has a team. He runs business as a team. So I was in with engagement with their team. So as an MVP, I have the options to make. Whatever. Him to perform for me or him to sing for me. But Nyumba Jizenti, I want him to attend because they promised to support me. Whatever. They promised to support me. So I expect Reggie to be there. But vibe kera akwati tinyino leti wana kumuzibira ki ngota performing
mancho naweza kubuza ndabafana baza kurina batero rwara umuntu ata turija ino kuza bwesa na
yeah, so because the kind of relationship I have with him and the team is far beyond what you see on social media and what. Let me tell you another thing you need to note. Why would you say I don't want Reggie to perform on my show? I basically want him to attend. Is Reggie has performed on my events because this is not going to be. This is not my first time I'm doing this event. I used to do shows. One of the shows actually Reggie na manager we bakaba bitire. One thing you need to know. That's why we have a bond that is so strong and beyond the things you see on social media. Yeah. So like there's one show actually by then I can manager Ford Respect bakambaruga on my show in Mwiz babategera hari Ntare Road wakireba and the Ford bamutwara mu Irwaro. So that's the first show Reggie performed for me in Mwiz and I paid him. I had another show in Mwiz in Miramahiro. Reggie came and performed for me. Yabire star at a fee. It's comfortable for me, not for him. Niyo deciding because he did it for MVP. Now, I did an event called The Next Big Star. He came, he didn't perform, he attended. I did the charity match. Abeshongo Zobas and our presenters were already West. He was busy that day, but he came and attended the match. So if I come and someone and say Sebo Nyinopano Nyunko Mutu nyine kusima that he has done for me a lot of things. I need, like I told you, I need to create hope for other talents. Nova headlining because Reggie has been exhausted everywhere. Even in Nafia, the moment I decide to put maybe Reggie on the artwork, noshanga abantu bajya mu nebyabusha, because wherever he's doing performances now in Mbara, people know nebyabusha.
There is someone behind it or just by enjoying.
By enjoying it, you get, that's a challenge. That's what I was telling his manager. Tinyowe, Reggie kwija mukoro gwanje is going to create an impression ngokutaha mu nebyabusha, because already someone has paid him. Omutendo ukabireba arakiza bakamba guza tables nachi hito bazikazi, so like political rallies abantu ambagamba murebera, so like it wouldn't make business sense for me. But this is in relation to, it doesn't say Reggie has value, but the public now knows that at least kumureba very few shana bo mbyaro baba kumashashura kumureba, but umutawuni bamureba mubanya muki munebyabusha okutaha munebusha. So but I'm sure on my show, like I told you, he has attended all my shows. So I expect him to be there. And no, all other artists are there. All other artists are there.
Utegereza kura ahora amuretereho nani nora bari like the lead artist.
The headliner, yeah, the headliner is the main act, but all others are either coming to perform or to chill. Those who are going to perform, you're going to see them in the posters that I'm going to release to the public, and the headliner, because the headliner is the main thing, because the headliner has all the attention, because any mistake that is made on that day is going to be attributed to the headliner. I'm going to have a surprise. Actually, I'm going to have a surprise act. Kumango in all those lineups. I'm going to have any mania. I'm going to also have a surprise act. Hey. So it's up to you to know who is going to be the surprise act. But all the artists in the
let's wait for all that.
On that day, the industry will freeze. Just to respect the MVP. They're all going to be at the venue. So yeah, no kujabaka support.
So Dani MVP yakukuyabashobora, Reggie will be there. Answering ekibuzo cyangwa kinayima cyanjenda kubuzwa.
So he's going to be there.
Reggie is going to be there. Either as an attendee or a performer, but naza kubara.
Minyo mwese nka attendee.
Nkabya vibe yatabuka naza.
Kiryaruwe. Atkanko buze omuntu yarya vibe yamukwata ati MVP kange muzibire. Yeah.
So Reggie will be there. That's the answer.
And the management confirmed is going. No, because let me tell you, one thing you need to respect people. One thing you need to respect people. You need to follow processes when you need their services. So I talked to the management. They confirmed, because now the business is in a schedule, and he has a lot of attention from different people. So my role is to approach the management. Nisiba nabo. Bajantaza ikintu cyanye mwakirebe. Actually, one of the people on the team who are not sharing an artwork yanje. Other people abandi mutaka jiguruki no myansebo. Mugambire aije.
Their response was positive.
I tell you, Nisiba nabo noza kungamba, was it positive and what?
So challenge.
Ekikubateganisa kiribati. Bati gum vibe bashemerirwe bacho bariya umuntu abatere smart mwarabushaye mu vipe yatekayo. Hati barugara yina. Bateruka. So I need to make sure by October tunaswa kubatera exclusive irabihara ina okwana na nobucobanaganisa kumpa nubasa kuburayo. They will give me what they are planning to give me, but I know they are going to buy a few tables. Just support me, because we have a long history together.
So gwe yabare VP ngoko amuhurira yansaringa ikibuzo cyanyu Reggie naza kuba ariyo utakacuhuze cyo kandi, and we expect
nabiha
izere na ayina kutegereza dede
nabiha namanya atakunjiza.
So ngoko babura byebyo ebigambo byawe byamehera abantu abakutureba abakwenda kwiza
ngamba abantu nimbagambira, please support music from Western Uganda, support every artist. Buri mwana ayenda nko arariki nko ararare and every content creator creating opportunities, and whatever we broke, please be open minded. Don't have a fixed mind. ukajya uriya kuyakugambira ikintu ko kiri so we have so much to lose on bantu abitwandikaho than what we gain. So we believe they see our posts. When comment yanara ntwabiha na kwa approaching ajya tumwabiha ki deleting but warata ko ikintu kitabire deleted bala ndi mu following waraka katabire deleted kakagoma ha page maybe it's a fact omweshongoza ine kakoma accommodating but wareba kantu kare deleted maybe nkakakora kuyu munongo mweshongoze karuga but wareba ibintu byaguma bya social media maybe it's a fact in its own way umuntu yakachinyige but it's what it's a fact. So otherwise mugumiza muri supporting a music ya Western Uganda. Every artist has a chance kuranga music yitu ya Rugayo abakumbuza ngo MVP akoze kina those who know me, my people already know because there's a WhatsApp platform where I share everything that I've done, and there are some are wowed by things I've done for the industry. But however, there are those who don't know, and you can't blame them. You will pay your 20k and come through and have fun and maybe get to know who the real MVP is.
So abakwenda kumanya MVP kukiya abagambira biri kumbyo kwikomero muramumanye jya abamanyire bakubona mu celebrating and yota kumanya noza kwenjera kumanya. And remember, this is Nkole Media TV. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for following, and thanks for liking, sharing whatever chokora necha man nawe nyana man body sparks na ntambuye na Savage camera Zubairo Pro of course.